Recipe for chicken shawarma. Ingredients. For the marinade: 1.5 pounds, 700 grams, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 4 cloves garlic, minced 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 2 teaspoons ground paprika, 1 teaspoon ground paste, salt and black pepper to taste, 3 tablespoons plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, juice of 1 lemon for the garlic sauce. Half cup plain yogurt, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 tablespoon tahini paste, optional, juice of half lemon, salt to taste for serving. Pita bread or flatbread, sliced tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, sliced red onions, fresh parsley or cilantro. Instructions. In a bowl, combine all the marinade ingredients. Mix well. Add the chicken thighs and coat them with the marinade. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, or overnight for better flavor. Preheat your grill or a skillet over medium-high heat. Thread the marinated chicken onto skewers if using a grill, or simply cook them in the skillet. Grill or cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side, or until they are cooked through and have a nice char. Remove from heat and let them rest for a few minutes. While the chicken is resting, prepare the garlic sauce. In a bowl, whisk together the yogurt, minced garlic, tahini, if using, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Adjust the seasoning to your taste. To serve, warm your pita bread or flatbreads. Place some sliced tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions on each bread. Add the grilled chicken pieces and drizzle with garlic sauce. Garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro. Roll up the shawarmas, and they are ready to enjoy. Feel free to customize your shawarma with your favorite toppings and sauces. Enjoy your homemade chicken shawarma.